Welcome, in front of me I have Realme 8i from the European distribution, and today I'll check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So let's quickly open the box. Okay, and let's take a look on the display. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to show you how it looks. And take a look. When you take a look right here on this cutout in the left upper corner of the camera, you can spot that the foil is applied on the screen. It comes from the edge to the edge. So we can find in this smartphone factory installed screen protection. It will protect our smartphone from scratches, but you can also improve protection by using tempered glass. So on the screen we can find very thin foil. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.